There's no denying the iconic beauty of fall. But why do leaves change their colors? And what makes them fall off the limb afterwards?
You have what's called deciduous trees, which have leaves that last less than 1 year, and those are the ones that change color. One of the big pigments that a lot of people are familiar with is a pigment called chlorophyll. That's the green pigment. But there's other pigments as well, like xanthophylls and carotenoids, for example, that are also present, but they're kind of masked by the chlorophyll. All right, but what those pigments are doing is harvesting what we call photosynthetically active radiation from the sun.
Okay, so while the leaf is green, chlorophyll is dominant, but other pigments are harvesting solar energy during this time. What does the solar energy do?
And that energy then fuels the growth of that tree throughout the year. But there's also a cost, a metabolic cost associated with just maintaining that leaf. That leaf is alive, it has a metabolism. So as you get into the fall, what starts to happen is your days are getting shorter. And as your days are getting shorter, there's less energy, all right, to fuel those important plant processes. What starts to happen is the cost of maintaining that leaf starts to exceed the benefit that the tree gains from keeping the leaf. Especially when you consider that leaf is, at that point, 5 or 6 months old, right? It's already done its best work. It's been tattered by the wind, it's been nibbled on by insects, and so you reach this certain point in the fall where the tree just decides, if you will, that, you know what, we're done for the year. Let's drop these leaves, we'll start over next year.
Clemson's answer? Leaves on deciduous trees harvest solar energy throughout the year to fuel growth. In the fall, they turn bright orange, red, and yellow as their energy is used. When the days are too short to harvest enough solar energy to maintain the leaves, the trees drop them. What are you curious about? Drop a comment below to let us know what questions Clemson faculty should answer next. If you enjoyed this video and want to see similar content, don't forget to like and subscribe.